Hi, my name's Tammy. The other day, I read the book Dear Zoo. I really liked that book. It had lots of different animals in it. Then I wondered if I could get an animal from the zoo too. As a class, we talked about what it might be like if the zoo sent us an animal of our own. I thought if I had a panda, it could sleep in my bed, share my food with me, have a bath with me, and go to the toilet. Well, not with me, but when he needs to go. In a group, we took turns to share our thoughts and ask questions about others' ideas. Then we wrote them down. We also went on an excursion to the zoo where we saw lots of different animals, but we noticed none of them slept in a bed, ate human food, or used the toilet. So we made lots of observations, listened to the keepers, and asked lots of questions. Back at school, our group discussed what we discovered at the zoo. We decided our pandas would need somewhere safe and protected to sleep, eat, and play. So we started a storyboard with what we know now, what we want to know, and what we will investigate in order to build a shelter. We began investigating by asking the adults that we knew questions, looking in books, and with some help from an adult, searching the internet. Our group discussed what everyone discovered and started to draw plans for our shelter using the results of our investigations. We experimented with different designs and considered the different materials and tools we would need to build the shelter. Once we had a plan that everybody liked, we wanted to make a model of our shelter. We used recycled materials to work together and make a model of our shelter. Sometimes we asked an adult to help with the tricky bits, like cutting the cardboard tubes. We labelled all the different parts of our model and presented it to the class. We talked about what we had in our shelter and why. Because everyone put in the effort and worked together, we received a special sticker. I learned a lot about pandas and what they need, and I would still like one if I could build a proper shelter for it. But for now, I'm going to go investigate what we need for a class pet.